We have been degreasing motors for over 25 years and have the experience and knowledge required to professionally clean your engine. Removing grease and oil from the exterior of the engine can improve your engine's performance. It can also assist your mechanic to accurately identify and locate oil leaks or deteriorating components. Whether you're just trying to keep the engine compartment clean or you have grease and grime buildup from normal driving, we have the solution. To properly clean the engine area, you need several things: an experienced person, hot water, and industrial strength degreasers. Our car engine steam cleaning service is a safe and an appropriate service for most cars. We take all the necessary precautions to reduce the possibility of problems. So if you're looking for an oil leak or just getting the car ready to sell, we have the right package for you. We are a certified source for all auto repair shops.